vision streams. I'm your host Anton, and today we will see how we can re-implement smart video recording functionality in Deepstream from scratch. So what is smart video recording? It is a special functionality in the Deepstream that provides video recording in the pipeline by sending some signals or by receiving Kafka messages. This plugin is used to get those events and then record the original data feed. In Deepstream test application, the usage is to record the input stream, which is not labeled, which doesn't have any metadata overlays. And in our small recording pipeline, we will see how we can implement elements, plugins that we can put in any part of the stream and record some video. The output of the recording pipeline could be something like that. We have two recordings that were generated by using signal at the same time, and we have raw recording at the beginning of the pipeline, and we have recording with already overlaid detections for some debugging purposes. When raw recording could be used to try other algorithms and compare with ground truth, or to label new data. So let's see how it works. We have a simple Deepstream pipeline that contains NVURI source bin with file source as input and the stream MOOCs. Then we have our first recording plugin, basic convey info to detect cars and pedestrians, visualization of objects with NVDSOSD, and the second record plugin that will record already the video with overlaid labels. Afterwards, we create a separate thread that will wait 10 seconds, then it will send signal for record to start for both recording elements, and after 5 seconds we will ask recording elements to stop recording. Then we run our pipeline and we can see how it will work. So the recordings will be stored here. We can run our pipeline. It will output a window with object detections, and after some time we will see that we generated a message and we started the recording at some predefined location. And after 5 seconds it will stop and we will see the latest files. We have raw recording and the recording with object detections overlaid. We can check those recordings and see that we have our object detections and our raw video, which we can use to debug our models, to update our models, and most importantly to collect data from the running pipelines in the production, which is very important for computer vision algorithms. So what is under the hood of our smart recording plugin? In smart recording plugin we have a couple of functions that will receive our signals, start record and stop record. And on start record we will create the app source. This is an element that will be responsible for it will be used as a source of this new branch of a Deepstream pipeline where we will push our current frames that we have. Afterwards we use NVVideo convert to accommodate different transformations of current video frames Then we need to encode video and to mux it to save MP4 files. And the last element would be file sync. We can choose location. It could be parameterized, or right now I'm just using the name of our video recorder and the current timestamp. After this pipeline is created and started, we can use the flag is recording and set it to true. And in our main function GST record transform IP, which will be acting as a pass-through plugin that will just forward our current GST buffers without modifications. But if we have some recording active, it will make a copy of our current GST buffer and it will push to the recording app source. This is very minimalistic, simple example, very transparent. It could be modified as you like. You can also implement functionality about different timing, different caching of frames, and potentially run multiple recordings at the same time, which is not supported by NVIDIA smart recording module. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you would like to receive the codes, you can connect me on LinkedIn or on this YouTube channel in the comment section. And I will see you in the next episode.